Okay, now the challenge is, can you come up with a dish?
You're challenging me? Of course I can. I've done this and I will show you. Hello, I'm Chef Devagi Sanmugam and today I'm visiting my friend Madam Lalita at her farm. Join me as I find out what Indian superfoods you can grow right here in Singapore and how easy it is to prepare them. Really nice to see this farm here. What made you want to open this farm here?
Basically, you know, I love plants. Our herbs, you know, the traditional Indian herbs not being identified, our younger generation not knowing it. So the idea is to plant, to show and tell.
How often do you harvest your...
Every week.
Every week?
Every week.
Or something?
Yeah.
My God, you're so lucky. You know why? You get to harvest.
Fresh harvest.
So I call it farm to table.
Yeah. So you look at our superfood, moringa.
Yes, definitely. This is real heritage Indian dish, traditional Indian dish and worldwide recognized now.
World Health Organization has endorsed it.
You know I
what is
recognize,
this?
of course, this is the rich god and angle god சொல்லுவாங்க or it's பீக்கங்காய்.
Okay.
பீக்கங்காய் and then the skin
And,
உள்ளுக்கு எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Okay, so I've taken up Lalita's challenge to do a rich god chutney. The number one ingredient, the most important ingredient for this would be the Indian sesame oil. You can see I've got this lovely charcoal stove here. And so to cook the rich god chutney, I've got some Bengal gram here. They are basically added to thicken the chutney as well as to give that nice texture. So I'm just frying it until it becomes brown. Now when it browns, it becomes very nutty. Okay, so I'm going to add in some mustard seeds and they are a powerhouse of actually the superfood as I call it. I'm adding in the mint leaves, add in the curry leaves, my all-time favorite. Now the main ingredient. So what I'm going to do is just peel the skin and just the skin surface, yeah? So we're just adding it into this and we are going to fry this. So I'm adding in the grated coconut as well. So we're going to just sort of lightly roast it. Now this dish has been there for years during the Ramayana period as well because the rich god, the coconut, the curry leaf, the mint leaf, these were just things that were growing around all over the place and people just pluck them and just eat them. And I think the use of the hand to move the spices or the paste in the grinding stone itself helps a lot because the hands have got natural amino acids that mixes with the food and makes it tasty. The taste of the finger and the amino acid here plus the food makes it extra special. So that's the reason why they call it finger licking goat. So I'm going to do a South Indian dosa and usually a dosa is made of rice flour and urad dal. But what I have here is actually buckwheat, which is called It's a very traditional Indian cereal actually, and whole wheat flour and some white urad dal. So I had it ground, fermented, and now I'm just going to spread it nicely. I picked some moringa leaves just now. You can either cook your moringa leaves or you can add it to your dosa, to your pizzas or anything as long as you got something to cook it with. Just sprinkle, lay, or whatever you want. And then you get the leaves to be cooked with the dosa. And so here you are.
Oh, so lovely.
The rich god chutney with my buckwheat dosa.
Wow, this is so beautiful. Can I try it?
Of course, it's meant for you to try.
Very nice.
Nice?
Very nice.
Is there enough chili for you?
Mild and nice.
So Indian superfood is good in cooking any other dishes apart from just Indian. You can cook any other dishes as well.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Know what you eat. You are what you eat.
And food is medicine.
Food is medicine.